Introducing Fast and Furious Drift RC. Time to burn up the road with Brian's Skyline Drift RC car. An authentic showstopper that has four-wheel drift action, unbelievable speed, and an extra set of tires. Fast, furious, and fun. Look out, Han's RX-7 is ready for a challenge. Okay, let's improvise. Think fast, play furious with the new Fast and Furious Drift RC car from Jada Toys.
Batteries not included. Colors and decorations may vary.
I know, I'm not supposed to be playing with my big brother's toys. He would not like it if he found out. But can you blame me? I mean, what if I want to play with my own RC car? Problem is, no one makes an RC car for girls. Until now. Here comes GIRLMAZING. Now I've got a car of my very own that's just as good as the boys, and in some ways, even better. Whoa, it's just as fast! It's just as fun! But it's way more fabulous! So there's nothing stopping me from tearing up the streets. It's a real remote-controlled car just for me. And there's so many models to choose from, like Chevy Camaro, Lamborghini, Jeep Wrangler, and Ford Mustang. It's also way more customizable with loads of stickers, so I can really make it my very own. With so many different combinations, the possibilities are endless. That choice is up to me. Sorry, big brother. Not this time. This one's for us. It's not for boys. It's girl-mazing.
Monster Jam! Freestyle Force Grave Digger! This revolutionary wheelie balancing RC lets you pull off wheelie stunts and take it to the next level with over 12 Monster Jam stunts. You can pull off freestyle stunts with a push of a button. Monster Jam Freestyle Force Grave Digger RC. Batteries not included.